Okay guys, today we have what I would consider the best keyboard Apple has ever made, in my opinion. It's that small one. I think it's the A1314 if I'm not wrong. Yes, 1314 from 2009. I'm not sure if you can see it there. And it takes two AAA batteries. From this side here, it has a cap somewhere that I don't know where I put it right now. This is the cap that goes in this side. You're supposed to open it with a quarter or something. And it's Bluetooth activated. Here's the power button. And I got this one for $1. But the problem with it was that it had become yellow. I'm not sure if this camera is showing you how dirty this is. The light may not be doing justice here. But all these buttons are yellow, and there's some yellowish kind of color fading on the aluminum itself. And what we're gonna do today, I'm gonna try to see if I can make it look white as it was before, just with rubbing alcohol. Nothing else really, nothing fancy. And if you have a similar or same keyboard as this one, let's see if you can do it and if it works, because if it works for me, it should work for you too. I'm just getting a microfiber towel, the ones that you keep on cars or whatnot, and just a regular 91% isopropyl alcohol. And we'll go from there and see what happens and see if it actually cleans it, or is what I heard. Some people are saying no, it will wipe out the lettering and all that stuff and the printing. Well, I thought I might as well try it myself for $1. I'm not really gonna go anywhere, so let's give it a shot for $1. And let's try it with some rubbing alcohol, shall we? I'll speed up the process, so you'll see me in a few seconds. And here we go, guys. Here now we have a spotless, clean keyboard. Remember how it was all yellow? The yellow now is gone. And no, the numbers and letters and all that printing is actually not faded or destroyed or anything of that sort. And it just looks spotless clean. This is actually a scratch, so I couldn't do more than that. But for $1 and just some 91% isopropyl alcohol, I think I got a great deal here. Because I really like the design of this little Apple keyboard. And I don't know, I just wish Apple made more of these on this exact style. Maybe add more features and all that stuff, like kind of more function buttons. But for a keyboard, this is beautiful. I don't know if you can see, if you remember the difference from where we started to where we are now. It looks brand new. And the back too. It had some small dots and stuff. And look at it now. Spotless. This one here's another scratch, so I couldn't do nothing more about it. And yeah. Let's now put some batteries on it and see if it connects to our computer. Okay, I found some just regular AAA batteries. Yes, they are the cheapo side, but they work. And as long as they do the work, I am fine with them. So it has a small legend here that the batteries, polarity, that you go positive first as such, and that's all it is to it. Put them all inside there, and now you're supposed to have a quarter, which I may not have here, but I have a screwdriver, so it will do the job just fine. There we go. Start the initial spinny thing by hand, which I don't know. Okay, and the nice thing about this, it's of course designed that way, so when it's closed, this part goes straight with the keyboard itself. It aligns, so that's actually a beautiful thing to have. And let me turn it on. when you click this on, there's somewhere here some green light. That is very amazing how they even made it, but I'm gonna try to show you if I can. You see that green part here? Otherwise, you don't see it if it doesn't light on. They blended it in very good. So now let's go to our computer and open it up. Go to Bluetooth, go to settings, and add Bluetooth stuff. Let's wait. And this is our keyboard. By the way, that's not my name, so I might actually cover it, because whoever had it before me had that name. And I'm just gonna take it like that, and it should give us some kind of code. Oh, okay, here we go. 13129345. Enter. And your device is ready to go. Setting up device. And as you see, it's paired and ready to go. And if I click here, it turns off, and it works. Command, everything works. And all the buttons work. And here's the keyboard tester. This one is made for other keyboards, but I'm just gonna randomly click on it just to make sure that all the keys work, as you see right here. Spacebar, okay. Command, window, alternative, or alt, one, okay. These are just symbols that I'm not gonna go through all of them. And these are the function keys. I'm not gonna do that right now. This is the eject CD key, and yeah, everything seems to work in just perfect. As you see here, control, yes. Shift, yes. Caps lock, yes. FN doesn't have here on this tester. So yeah, that is, in my opinion, again, as I said, in my opinion, the best keyboard Apple has ever designed. If you're just going for that kind of slim, minimal, slick look of a keyboard, this one is the one to go. And yeah, I found it for $1, but your mileage may vary. The model, again, on this one is 1314, if I'm not wrong. Model number A1314. I'm not sure if the camera will help us here. As you see right there, the model number A1314. This is it. And now, this is the keyboard I wanted to show you today, and we'll see you on the next one. And for now, hit like and subscribe if you don't mind, and bye!